I'm April Moore. I live in Madison, Tennessee, just outside of Nashville in the U.S., and this is my garden. I was lucky. I started gardening when I was a child, helping my mother in our vegetable garden, harvesting fruit from our fruit trees and nuts from the forest around us. From a really early age, I knew when I had my own home, it would have to have a garden. Not just a front yard, not just a backyard, a garden. But when my husband and I moved here 20 years ago, the prospect of getting the garden I wanted was a little bit daunting. There wasn't much here, just some crabgrass, a privet hedge, and a single old ash tree. We had our work cut out for us. We built our garden a 10 by 12 foot section at a time. We added a new section each year. After 10 years, the backyard had been turned into a garden. For a few years now, I've been giving away plants to people in our community. I post what I'll be giving away in local groups online and set everything out by the garden gate for people to take home. While they're here, I tour them around the garden so they can see the conditions these plants are growing in. Often they bring me back nursery pots to reuse so I can keep giving away more free plants. Perennials need dividing, and I almost always grow too many seedlings for what I need to plant out. I don't have room for all these plants. A lot of times people ask me, well, why don't you just sell them? But sharing plants this way is how I share my love of gardening, and I hope it encourages others in my community to give it a try as well. My mother loved roses, and in May they're always at their full glory. I love gardening because it gives me a connection to her, to my community, and to the natural world. I guess I'll always be a gardener.